All right, welcome back, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Build, Break, and Fix. To all those people who are new here, of course, we are Orcurus. That means we're a team of two developers from Melbourne, Australia, working on a project which adds persistent storage to the current open source project, Scramble.ca. And to all those people in Melbourne, they might have experienced a little bit of tremor today at 9:30 a.m. Yes, there was an earthquake in Victoria. According to the news, it was something around the lines of a 6 magnitude earthquake with a 10-kilometer depth. But the good part is that everything is safe and sound all across Victoria, and there wasn't a lot of damage which happened because of the earthquake. But yes, it moves on. So, yeah. Oh, okay. There we go. Zen's here. Hey,
Hi
Zen.
everything, guys. Sorry about my awkward picture, as in the
Mhm.
webcam. My OBS has decided to, as in, give me a bit of a hard time. So this
Why don't
is
you use
what I
your
could.
Max camera? Just use your Max camera.
Actually, I might do that then, because
Hmm.
this is really awkward. I'll come
Yeah, this
back.
looks weird. Yeah.
Hmm.
Hmm?
All right, I'll come back on that one.
Cool. Um, yeah, until then, sets out here. Sorry we're late today, I guess. Um, right. So, yesterday, of course, we were working on a lot of. Jen, can you mute yourself, I'll do it? Thank you. Oh, you're still not muted. Is that done? Jen? Mm-hmm. Okay. Till Zen sets up. Zen, can you mute yourself from StreamYard? Because I could hear like things moving. Thank you. Okay, this. Hey Tori. Hey Gizas. Can you please hydrate? Yes, we can hydrate if Coke counts as hydrate. You guys made me sick. I have some kind of cold. Yeah. Sorry, Tori. We'll try our best next time. But yeah, Tori, there was a earthquake in Melbourne today morning. So that was interesting news because the last time Melbourne had an earthquake was 9 years ago. So this is a very iconic moment. Um, but yes, that's what happened when you go on the show. Yeah, maybe you should come more often. We'll find you a cure as well. Okay. Sam's gonna jump back. I guess that's all good. I fixed my sign as well. What's the mag? Oh, mag. Oh yeah. 6 magnitude earthquake. It was. Yeah, like I could really feel it because I live on the 19th floor. So like the higher you live, yeah, it was pretty big. It was like everyone around me actually like felt it. So, yeah, everything's okay. There's this one um particular shop called Betty's Burger. I think in Windsor, Victoria. That was destroyed. Mm,
And did you see the one building that happened on Chapel Street?
which street? Sorry.
Chapel.
Oh, really? I didn't know
Mm.
what shop is it.
I don't know about the shop, but there was a kind of a medium building, and the bricks that were higher up,
Yeah,
they actually fell down.
yeah. That's the one I'm talking about.
Oh, the Bears Burger, is it?
Yeah,
That
yeah,
one.
yeah, exactly.
Ah,
On in Windsor.
mm-hmm.
But yeah, but I'm pretty sure a lot of people got cracks in their home. Like that's just inevitable.
Mm. It, it was a bit of a, as in, strong one, isn't
Hmm. Yes.
it?
Um,
Tori is saying Indonesia is no stranger to these
hmm,
quake scary here. Did you read up the sea cable saying? No, Gagdev, I didn't really get much time, and I've had to do a bit of an overtime at work as well. But yeah, so
Tori sent a link in the random in DevCode. If you look,
random.
hmm,
What?
there's a random
Random.
channel in DevCop Slack. You
Oh,
should
okay,
probably,
okay.
yeah.
Yeah, I'll definitely have a read of that. Oh,
Mhm.
time for one. No, Gagdev, I'll just kidding. No, over time, that was
Oh,
a kind of a bad excuse
it's
not to be able
lying.
to watch it. That's not a lie. It was a bad excuse.
Okay.
If it was a lie, I wouldn't have come back to it.
Hmm. Hmm.
Harassment in the chat.
Yeah, we revoked your powers. But
Shay, superpowers are back.
yep.
All right.
Anyway, let's get back to it.
Yeah.
Do you know what it is then, or do you want me to do it?
Do
Um,
what?
do what? Like, do you want to code or can I code?
I'll code. Same
Mhm.
as you having your dinner as well.
Mhm.
So I'll take
Yep.
over today.
Yes, GagDev, I already started. I think I started last week. Yes.
Oh
So
yeah, your new job. How's that going?
pretty good actually. So I'm working at two places currently.
Mm-hmm.
Um, yeah, but both are part time. So one relates to as an IT solutions engineer, which means that
Yeah.
there's a particular goal which the company is trying to accomplish. It's like a factory in Dandenong, but like they're
Mm-hmm.
getting really big, so they want to implement
Mm-hmm.
a lot of like it's more like the person just gave me freedom. Like whatever bridges you see, um, you're
Ah,
welcome
okay.
to. So yeah, it's more like IT solutions. So
That's
right now
pretty
I'm kind of implementing an ERP. You know what an ERP is?
and see relationships something.
Enterprise Resource Planner. So it's
Ah,
for like it's like
that's
a
the wrong
really
one.
big. It's not a CRM, but like it's for like bigger companies. Um,
Okay.
so I'm doing that, and the other job I'm doing stuff as a backend dev, which is TypeScript and Nest.js.
Ah,
Yeah.
interesting one. You enjoying it?
I haven't really started the coding part in the backend job, but I have started the IT solutions engineer job. Um,
Right, right, right.
it's pretty fun. That's actually pretty fun.
I see.
Mhm.
That's pretty cool, man. As
Yeah,
in, really happy for you.
thank you. What kind of stuff are you doing? I answered that. With great freedom comes great respect. Yeah, that's yeah, yeah.
um,
There is a lot of responsibility.
um, Kate, did you as in push your last night changes into the stable backend branch? Not
Have a
yet.
look. Have a look. Lucky days. Let's see. I think I wasn't able to accomplish something, so I probably didn't. But it's fine.
You wasn't able to accomplish something to.
Like
Oh,
um, something wasn't
right,
working.
right. I think it's good to commit each night because that will actually give us a perspective of
Hmm.
um as in how exactly we are progressing, and that will also eliminate the brain work for us to remember things.
There you go. It's already up there.
Perfect.
Um,
Tori's got a TS question to interrupt with.
What's question? What?
TypeScript.
Oh yeah. I've just started with it, so I actually don't know a lot. But sure.
You're the pro now in TS. I'm just getting the latest. There we go. I don't want to do that. Bolting.
What is it, Tori? I'm actually curious. Okay, this. I have two classes. Okay. You should Discord. Yeah, sure. Tori, I'll send you my Discord tag if you're on Discord. Yeah. Yeah, sure. Actually, I've started liking Discord a lot recently. I remember Zen, you don't know what Discord is, right? Do you?
No.
Very nice.
So I need to replace the table name first. Over
Okay,
here.
I'll send you my tag now. Tori, check Slack.
Right. Up to which point were we?
Can
Do you
you
remember?
check node functionalities? I implemented that. You probably need to git push. Oh, sorry, assemble.
I've done that.
Yeah.
Git pull.
Or you can use mine. You just go to Postman and use my workspace.
Oh, okay. So that means I don't. I would. Yeah. Okay.
You
But
don't need to build it.
Mm-hmm. Update. No, I don't want to update at the moment. Right. Get all notes.
There you go,
So
Tori. I sent you.
what was the get specific note? Update a specific note. Delete a particular note. Create a note. Okay. Create a note. Right. So board ID is not present in the parameters. Cool. So let's check that one. Board ID isn't present in the parameters. So what was that? Post. Okay, what does this give us?
Yep.
Board ID.
Oh, you didn't. Oh, yeah. Oh, right.
That would be another scenario in which they don't even have this part here. So we need to cover this as well.
Mhm.
But I won't go through that now. I'll just make a note in this section.
Yep.
Create a note for specific board.
Yes, Tori, I got your friend request.
Co-
There you go. I sent you.
which in which URL in which URL path is this.
Okay.
All right. Come back to this.
Why is there
Okay.
Anon 268? Wait, Gegda is asking about line number 268. Oh wait, probably wait, which line number?
268.
1 second. Please convert switch for readability. Switch.
275. You mean?
No, he's talking about to convert if to switch.
Oh,
One.
okay. Right. I'm thinking I want to do the testing of the all boards validation first, and then we can refactor it.
Mm-hmm.
Because I don't. I want to focus on one thing at a time, but I will make notes here. Convert the below to switch.
Andre, I sent you my Discord tag if you're on Discord. Add me.
Okay. What is this code?
Okay.
I'm
It's
really
like
curious now.
it's like a messaging app only. But it was designed for gamers, but like now literally everyone uses it. So
Okay, then.
the place where I work as a backend dev, they use Discord as their official communication. They don't
Wow.
use, yeah.
Are they a gaming company?
No, it's a
Hmm.
financial fintech.
Ah, okay. Interesting.
Yeah.
Right. If board ID is not present in the parameters. Right. Board ID is not present in the parameters. So if that one board ID is not valid, so this is coming up with this board ID. It's not alphanumeric. So this one has to go in there. Board ID isn't there. How about if I do this? Does this give me? Board ID is not valid, so it's coming over in this one, but it needs to go in this one.
Tori probably gonna call me now. Wait, I'll create a server, Tori. Just give me one sec. Yeah. Tori just called me. Wait.
Board ID is not.
That was funny. Wait, you want me to pick up?
So
Okay.
we
Oh,
don't
okay.
care.
I'll pause from here. I'll call you on there. Just give me one sec, Zen.
Right, so we need this is coming over here. So oops. Uh, duh, 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 duh. So if board ID isn't present, then we need to send a. So it's not coming in. If board ID is not in the parameters, which it isn't. Which isn't. So see comes here, board ID isn't there. If it's not, but it would be there, right? It would be there in that case. if it's that, then what happens? Port ID is not valid. Port ID is that? No. If port ID is not present in the params, which would be this one. Port ID cannot find. Aha. Right. So if it's that one, then we need to
Okay, days.
um
I'm back.
cool.
The summary was me saying I can't hear you, but
Huh?
the summary was me saying I can't hear you, but he showed me the error. So I think that'll be helpful.
Summary was what?
Mm,
I didn't get
well,
it.
the whole summary was me saying I can't hear you, Tori.
Oh, okay. I think we would have to make some changes to this part here.
Mhm. Yeah, feel free. I might have made a mistake.
So when I'm giving, so this one, if it's not present, which it wouldn't be here.
Mhm.
Board, no. Hang on a minute. No, I didn't. So if I put just this happens, and what I do is not valid. It's taking in the escape characters. So this part is causing a problem. I'm gonna come back
Yep.
to this.
Okay, days. Which part is causing a problem? Maybe if I could help.
So when I'm not giving it a board ID, which is in this way.
Yeah, that won't work.
Yes, but even if I do this, it goes here. It doesn't come here.
Yes, because URLs are by default trimmed for spaces.
Yeah, so how should we test this scenario? As in, board ID isn't present.
Go back to Postman.
That is practically not possible.
You can check the length of the whole thing because that's a constant.
Length of this one or
Length
this.
whole URL parameter.
Because what I'm trying to say is board ID will always be there in the params. Always. Because that's the column in the database.
Yeah, but like not necessarily it's been passed in the URL, right? Like okay, go back. If you remove the double quotes, if you do it now, it's going to throw an error.
Same error on
Like
different
an
error.
error,
Because
not like um.
mm-hmm,
So
not found.
what you can do is you can just check the length of the URL.
Okay. So if the length of the URL is this, then we can throw
Yeah,
that error.
yeah. Or like this or smaller than this, basically. Actually, yeah, that was fine what you said. I just wrote some crap in Discord, but never mind. Once you throw off the schedule, yes. Yep, Tori, I'll have a look at it at night.
I'm thinking I might need to put another if condition. If this isn't present, or or
I'll give it my best, Tori. Maybe not a good idea if you gives me nightmares. Yeah, I'll try my best.
check URL node. Okay, the URL limitations. There's a button.
I think you might want to write express rather than node.
Now am I thinking?
Now.
Request to URL. Request for your. So I think there's a path name as well that we can use.
Mm-hmm.
URL.path name.
Mm-hmm.
Go away. Request to path. Request dot path.
What is request.params though?
Request to params.
Yeah. Isn't that what we're trying to? Isn't that the URL?
Go away. Everything has to come now, and I forgot to close all of these channels. My bad. Come on, go away. I don't need you. Request was actually it would be good to have a look at this.
Yeah, it's the URL.
From your parameter values path from the URL path.
Right.
Okay. Right. So, for example, if you have the root that one, then the name from your path will be available in request.params.name. Okay. Right. So then the name of from the URL path will be and that's how we access it.
Yep.
So if board ID is that one and path dot params path no path equals if we do in this way this work. This may probably be bad coding, but I just want the results first rather than
That throws an error. Yeah.
there we go. And path is equal to that one. Then go there and do that. Let's try this. We need to deploy this again. Okay. Build.
I'm not gonna screen it.
Oh, yeah, I forgot about that. Thanks for reminding me. Screen. Was it screen?
I don't remember the full problem.
BM, I think it was.
Okay. Try it. Yep, and right time deploy minus D.
-D.
Hmm.
Yeah, that
Can you
was the
do
one.
screen minus? Yep. Yeah, there you go.
That one. Yeah, that was the one. I think.
Yeah, so it'll just go away as soon as it's done. No one's gonna see anything. Hmm.
By the way, tomorrow's Friday.
Tomorrow's Thursday.
Tomorrow's a working week's Friday.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Long weekend. Long weekend.
Perfect.
Do I sound creepy?
No. A bit, yeah.
I know. I was like, wait for it, wait for it, wait for a bit. Yeah, I know. Hang on, I'm just gonna put my Mac on charge. Give it a bit of juice in there.
Mhm.
There we go. Let's gain some juice.
Yes.
All
Third, we
right.
have a holiday for so whenever there's the AFL Grand Final, um, there's a holiday in only Victoria, or yeah, I think it's only Victoria. Yeah, but basically a sports game final. To put it in simple perspective.
Oh, okay, cool. So that wouldn't work in the
Mhm.
first place because it won't even go in the post method. No, that's not gonna work.
Right.
Um,
Very nice. How many holidays in Australia? That's a good question.
okay,
Let's see.
so
How many holidays in 2021?
I'm up to
There are 11 holidays.
what's the name is.
That helps.
Right, let's just come back to this. I don't want to spend too much time on that, and let's just check if this one works. If I do that one, then what does it give me? It should say board ID not valid. Board ID not valid. Perfect. That works. Text for note. Okay, so text for note is that one. If it's a string, then work, and if it's empty. Okay, so first of all, want to give it. Don't want to give it a string. Where are my all the notes, all the boards? First of all, get boards.
Sen,
Yeah,
you deployed it to yours. Why are you testing in mine?
because I'm on drugs.
That's
Seriously,
not good.
Zane, wake up, wake up, wake up. It's not the weekend yet. You're still in the middle of working week.
I was like, what's this happening here?
Interesting. Huh?
Yeah, I was like, what's this happening here?
Right. Guess what?
Mhm.
I admire myself. You know what I was doing?
What? What was
I
it?
was testing a post method, but I was getting all notes.
Oh boy. Right.
I admire my stupidness now.
Very nice.
All right. Good boy, Zane. Good boy. You'll get there. All right.
That's
Le-
interesting story. Story says there are zero guaranteed paid on this. Story says that's why you get stash. So you write half a line of code and call it a day. Yeah, that's good.
it's half. It's half a line of call a code core, Tory. The quality matters.
Yeah, it's a good semicolon, whatever it is.
Yeah, I actually color it in white. Make sure the font is appropriate as well.
Mhm.
Anyway, let's. Okay, cool. So I need to test this post method. Cool. So if I do this, um,
Yep, leave
give
that.
you a body as well. Yes, I need the body. I just do that one, and if I do this, it should show me an error. Okay, so that still exists. And if I do this, what does it do? Board ID no value. So it's the same thing,
It is
basically.
not coming in there.
Hmm.
Like,
Here.
um,
I
right.
think it's something to do with this part that we probably have to do a null check.
It's not
Because
null, right? It's not present. Like, there's a difference, right? Like, when you do it null, then it's fine. But right now, it's just not there.
yeah, because what I mean is that
Yep. Go ahead.
this board ID,
Mm-hmm.
I think it will always be there.
Not necessarily, but that could be overlooked for now because we haven't reached there yet.
Okay,
Like,
we can
there's
come
nothing you
back
can
to
do
this
about
one.
it right now.
All right, that's fine. But was this part working in the boards?
I don't remember.
Here, board
You
ID
can give it
not
a try.
present.
You can give it a try.
Let's give it a try. Which one was it? Patch a board. Oh wow. Okay, cool. Wow.
Patch. Yeah. Wait. Oh, right. Yeah.
Board ID patch.
You have to do a get first to
I'll
get
have
the
to do
board.
again for it. Yeah,
No,
true.
no, 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 no. Wait. That's the whole
Yes.
point of making this. Leave it as this one as patch only. Go
Uh-huh.
on this one.
Okay.
Do a
Yeah.
get there.
Cool.
That kind of defeats the whole point of creating this.
Yeah. I mean, was a kind of a practice that was they used to do it as in just changing this part, but now you're right. I need to get used to that.
Yeah, because like when we move forward, there's going to be a lot of no. Don't do this. Don't do this, Zen. You're doing the same
I'm
thing.
just, I know,
We
I'm
have a
just,
different getter board.
yes. So I'm just checking
Mhm.
that if I get all the boards, but in this way, isn't it?
Yep. Yeah.
Yeah.
Now, if you wanna get a one board, just go to get a board.
Right.
But you wanna patch a
Um.
board. This patch.
So patch. And if I don't do that one, okay, cool. So go to patch
Hmm.
and then just provide that.
No, you have to provide a board ID. Oh, right. Okay. Yeah, that way.
No, that wasn't the purpose. The purpose is to test this part.
Yep.
So these aren't working in any of them. How about if I do this one? Patch board name is
Oh, you
not
didn't give it a
right.
board name. But it did
Okay,
work.
cool. Um, board name. Okay, board name is not valid. Right, it's coming in here.
No, we didn't give it a board name. That's why. Go to body. Click on body.
Hang on. Roll. Come on, Zane. Board name single. C3, Z2. Okay, patch. Interesting. They went through.
Was there
This
a
is
board
not supposed to do
name?
it. Board name
Why did this go
C2.
through?
This is not supposed to be happening.
Go down. Let's see.
Um,
They should have stopped at line number 166. I don't know why it didn't stop. Oh, wait. You need to probably change the cases to false and true. That's why it didn't stop.
if it's true. Oh, okay, here. Right.
Yeah. No. Wait. Keep it back. Do Control Z.
Hang on a minute. I'm doing it this way.
You should have just changed the names from true, false, and false true. That was it.
All right.
Yeah.
Same thing. All right, that one's done. And if what name is not string, then it will come if it's not. Yeah, cool. Right. Okay, hang on a minute. Just focus on the notes, okay? Because at the moment we are going on back and forth.
Yeah, sure.
I just focus on notes. So this one doesn't work. This one works. Port ID. Okay, we need to test a single note. Just deploy again. Forgot to do that again.
That's all good. You need
Screen
to do it in the deploy one.
Screen VM. Deploy G.
D. Oh wait. Oh yeah. What am I saying? Yeah, that makes sense. You forgot to save then.
I did that by Command S.
I can still see the dot. Can you see the dot?
Right.
No.
What am I doing?
By the way, I learned a cool way to mock events in Lambda using if require main. Let's see this. By the way, I learned a cool way to mock events in Lambda using if require.main triple equal to module my Lambda function. Okay. Very nice. I don't know what it's doing, but I still need to learn about this. What is it trying to do, Tori? Like, sure, you're trying to mock the event, but oh, you're doing it locally. Okay, right. You can just throw in some events. Oh, okay. You can get from CLI. Oh yeah, actually, we might do that instead of inputting that every time because the inputs are anyway constant. Like we literally input the same things. Okay, days.
All right,
Post.
cool. So let's go this one. So we need to test the text on the note.
Yeah.
It needs to it shouldn't be string and it shouldn't be empty. All right. Let's get all boards. Ah,
Hmm.
look
What
at
happened?
this.
Um,
This is how it's saving the board ID if we don't provide it, but do it without the board ID. It still
yeah.
patches it.
This won't happen now. Um, yeah,
Okay.
this won't happen now because we fixed it.
Yeah, true. Okay, so if I do board IDs that one,
Hmm.
actually I'll have to post a note first, isn't it? Or no? Yes, I have to post a note first.
Now
So
you're patching the board. Okay, you're patching note. Yep, sure.
so it does shouldn't it should be an integer.
Hmm.
Okay, so say this integer, and this should give us this error. Topic for notes is invalid.
Oh boy.
Huh. Right.
You did a post.
Yes, it is a post.
Isn't that all right? The thing which you posted.
No, it should be this.
All right. It's working for the board. Um.
There must be something we didn't do. Hang on a minute. I'll just get all notes.
Mhm.
Board. I need the board. Get all boards. I need that one. Get all notes. That one. Notes. Yeah. Get. Aha. So it is inserting integers as well. We don't want it to.
That's bad.
Cool. So that one doesn't work. So I'll just say insert integers come back to it. All right, and is empty. Would this work? Post a note. If we do it is empty. Yes, it does work.
Does it?
Interesting. Yes, it does. Look at that empty string. Set into and strings. Okay, cool. So this one we need to come back to it. What else is there? No boards found. So if we give it as in a random board, which is post, isn't it? Post, a note, a random board. No. Yeah, random board. And we do 6. Does this work? Internal server error. Wow. Okay, cool. So that doesn't work either. Post. Internal server error. No post found in the database. Froze. And froze. Okay. Board not found. Is board present? What is that? Board ID present. Board ID present. So if that isn't present, what does that do then? Board ID is not valid.
Mm-hmm.
It's not coming there. We need this one. Board not found. Board ID. I think it's going back in the board functions, which is fine. Isn't it?
What is that? Um, See, even if it's giving an error, that's okay, right? Like even if it's
Yeah.
going somewhere, the whole point
Yeah.
is not execute.
Mm-hmm. But we really have to make sure that errors are on point though.
I mean,
Switch.
okay, there's one way in which you can solve all your problems is that do a route. No, that one. Like if like okay, let's say you wanna give it a base URL board // note. So you make a controller in the backend for this particular URL and just throw an error in the backend only.
That's exactly what was on my mind, but the
Hmm.
fact that I didn't really share it was because I don't know if that's a good way to approach that kind of problem.
No, that's all. I think that should be fine. Um, if it's not gonna come inside the function any time, there's no way you can do anything inside the function. Like
Hmm.
there's nothing gonna happen inside the function at all, no matter
True,
how much
true.
you try.
All right, in that case, let's do that one for that. And can you possibly keep the Jira updated while I'm
Yep.
coding, as in all these issues?
Um,
Because I don't want to keep anything extra in our brain
I think they're
to
all in
remember.
testing, so I don't think that there's anything to update. Nothing of like none of them passed testing. So
No, no, no. What I meant is, as in, can you record the progress? As in, this works, this scenario works, this
um,
doesn't, this scenario.
you put all of the things which I did yesterday in testing, right?
Yes.
And did any of them pass testing? Yeah.
I'm not saying pass or
Oh, right. It okay.
fail.
Got it.
I meant that if you can, I don't want to keep these small things in our brain. So I'll rather go to a place
Yeah.
and check where where we tested, what worked, what
Mhm.
didn't work, and
Yeah. Um.
where do we need to do more work in that
Yeah.
way. If that makes
Also, for
sense.
that matter, when you started working, you should have assigned these tickets to you. They're still assigned to me, but I'll
Which
assign them to
ones?
you now. Now, in Jira, you're working on some tickets, right?
Yeah, but it doesn't really matter who does it and is assigned to whom because we are a team, remember?
Yeah, but
As
like,
in you
uh,
do it or
yeah, no,
I do it,
it's
kind
about
of the
working
same
in
thing.
bigger teams as well. Like that's the whole point of working Jira, right? Like everyone should know, even if like there is a backend team in a company, but like everyone should know that like everything is being done formally, even if we both know what we both are doing. Um,
Yeah,
the,
and I
to learn
thought
it.
it was already assigned.
No, it's assigned to me, right? Remember yesterday?
Yes, because you did all the, as in all the coding, but I'm just
Yeah.
testing it first. Oh,
Yeah. So
okay, okay.
now they are in
Yeah, yeah,
testing.
yeah, yeah,
So
yeah, yeah. I keep on forgetting that the people can be assigned differently throughout the stages.
yeah,
I
yeah,
keep on
yeah.
forgetting that.
Yep.
Cool.
Technically.
That makes sense.
Mm,
And one more thing, I just try to take our own initiatives, as in to change the assignments of each other, even though if each other forgets it.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, like sure, I can do it. Like, there's no problem. It's just a good way that how it actually works in like bigger teams. Like if you
Of
start working
course.
with a
Mhm.
team, you
Yeah.
just
Hmm.
and like it's more. It's not about like just developing Scrumler, right? It's about doing it right as well.
Yes, and that's exactly what I meant. Is that if you forget, I do it myself, and if I forget, we can. You you can do it, because
Mhm.
the thing is how can I put it? It's good to it's it's not as in it's not a good way to say, oh, you do that, you do this, you do that. We are teams, so I think it's
Yeah, no,
good
for
if
sure.
we cover each other up in
Yeah,
this way as well.
yeah, for sure. That's true. Yeah, it's just that like Jira is made for team cohesion only.
Yeah,
Um, so that like tasks
exactly.
are assigned. So like,
Yeah.
so I think one of the good like thumb of rule would be that whenever we start streaming, that whoever is coding before even coding, they just jump to Jira. Like that's the first place you should go when you start streaming.
That's exactly what I was gonna say after
Hmm.
you finish.
Very
So we
nice.
can probably do it in this way, that when we start and finish on
Yeah,
Jira,
yeah, sure.
hmm if that makes sense.
Yep.
Cool. Board alphanumeric. So board ID and note ID is that one, which is the delete. So we come on the delete one. So I need to provide a board ID here, which is get all boards. Uh, there we go. So deletes are not. Board ID is that one. Note is that one. Okay, so testing alphanumeric whole. So if we do this and this, then what does it say? Get, no, I need to delete. I'm making the same mistake again.
What happened?
I'm using one endpoint to do everything. It shouldn't be in this way.
Mhm. Cool.
Delete.
Thank you, Tori. Thank you for joining. See you tomorrow.
Thanks, Tori. I appreciate you. Um, all right, after this, let's just call it a night,
Hmm. Yes.
because I've got still things I need to take care of.
Hmm.
Okay, that parameters sign there, parameters sign there, and this should say ID is invalid. Oh, okay. Never mind. Alright, we'll have to come back to this.
Yep. That's all good. If you're satisfied with it, then we can come back tomorrow. Let me just check one thing. Okay. Very nice. Yep. I'll update your board for now.
Yep.
So what did you work on? Was it just the post note? Is it?
No, I tested overall notes, but out of how many were they? Out of what I've tested, Only how many worked doesn't work. Doesn't work. Insert. None of them. Except one, everything worked.
Mm-hmm.
So I tested post.
Yep.
I tested delete,
Mm-hmm.
and I tested.
Did you tested delete note?
Yes,
That wasn't implemented.
it wasn't.
I mean, at least by Jira, it says in progress from yesterday. I
Oh,
don't
then
remember.
they probably haven't been updated because I can see the code
Mm-hmm.
for validation here.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
So I probably forgot to
that's all good.
update that one.
Mhm. Okay, days. Okay, yeah. Come back. We can come back tomorrow and give it a look for that. Should be fine. Um, yeah, don't worry on that part, I guess. But yeah. Did you make any major code change?
I haven't. I just tested
Oh,
it. That's all.
yeah, right.
As in,
Can you
I
did
tried.
you push
Mhm.
did you push it to GitHub?
Just gonna do that now.
Mm-hmm. Thank you.
Hang on a minute.
Yep. Cool. But yeah,
There we
thanks
go.
guys. Thank you for joining us. Yep. Be sure to come back tomorrow at 9:30 p.m. Melbourne time. We'll still be here and we'll still be coding. Do you have anything to add, Zen?
Just bear with me. I want to do this. Validation
It's all good.
is
But yeah,
progress.
tomorrow we'll probably work on things like just seeing what went wrong. I think and seeing how the
Mm-hmm.
um yeah, so like just making sure the tests pass tomorrow. Um,
Yeah,
i-
I
i-
get that would be the goal. Mm-hmm.
yeah, if
Cool.
possible, we'll aim to finish validation. Um,
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
if we get the speed, like it'll be good before the weekend if we can finish it. But
Yeah, aiming for that as well. And yeah, I don't know what's your schedule for Friday, but let's just discuss this afterwards. Um, so yeah, thanks guys for joining in. Really appreciate you guys, and we'll see you
Mhm.
back here tomorrow, same time, same place, and
The same task. That's
see you later, guys. Have a good night. Cheers.
yeah.
Bye.
Good night. Bye.